Hello everyone, I'm the Onion Dragon, and I'm going to teach you today how to make something really cool out of my dragon skin. Check this out. First, what you do is you take a little pot, your onion, cause believe it or not, shake, 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 and shake a whole lot. You can crack my shell and the skin comes right off. Here's what you do, you take it in your pot, you pour it in your soup or your tea while it's hot, and then you can make anything you want, as long as you know how to take off the skin. Thank you everyone for watching, and next time we'll learn how to cut an onion. By the way, onion tea is really good for your hair, because it becomes dragon hair.
Dragon, dragon, you beat the dragon, dragon scale tea.